Hey there, this is your host. In today's video, we are going to share a delicious weight loss smoothie that is going to help you lose weight in no time. This smoothie is a perfect example of what you should be consuming when on a ketogenic diet or an intermittent fasting plan. It has all the nutrients and ingredients that will keep you full for long hours while reducing your appetite. Also, it contains natural fat burners that will accelerate the fat burning process. You just have to try this recipe once and you will love it so much that it will become one of your favorites. Bananas are high in potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. They are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which can protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. If the smoothie is too thick, then add some more almond milk. But if it is too thin, then add some more chia seeds. Kiwi is high in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that can help boost the immune system and protect against cellular damage. Then we will arrange the sliced kiwi on the edge of the glass. Finally, we will take some kale leaves and arrange them at the bottom of the glass. It is also high in magnesium, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance, a condition in which the body does not properly use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance is a common problem among overweight and obese people, and correcting it can lead to significant weight loss. Fiber is known to help you feel full and reduce your appetite, while protein can help preserve muscle mass during weight loss. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body and promote weight loss. Spinach also contains a compound called thylakoid, which has been shown to stimulate the release of thyroxine, a hormone that regulates metabolism. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to reduced inflammation and fat accumulation. If you have tried this recipe, please share your feedback in the comments below. We would love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips. Thank you for watching, and happy weight loss journey. Almond milk is also a good source of calcium and other essential nutrients that are important for overall health and well-being. This effect can lead to increased fat burning and weight loss. You can add or subtract ingredients based on your own preferences and dietary restrictions. First, it is important to use fresh, high-quality ingredients. This will ensure that you are getting the maximum nutritional benefit from each ingredient. It is also important to use a powerful blender to ensure that the smoothie is well blended and has a smooth consistency. Next, it is important to drink the smoothie on an empty stomach or as a mid-morning snack to help boost your metabolism and reduce your appetite. You can also drink the smoothie after a workout to help replenish your body's nutrient stores and promote recovery. It is important to note that while this smoothie can be a valuable tool for weight loss, it is not a magic bullet. To lose weight effectively, it is still important to follow a healthy diet and exercise regularly. For example, if you are vegan, you can use oat milk instead of almond milk. If you are allergic to bananas, you can use apples or berries instead. You can also add other ingredients, such as protein powder, MCT oil, or apple cider vinegar, to boost the smoothie's nutritional profile and weight loss benefits. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is high in nutrients and low in calories. It is high in monosaturated fats, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. Avocados also contain a variety of nutrients that are essential for weight loss, including potassium, vitamin K, and magnesium. In addition, avocados contain a compound called avocatin B, which has been shown to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. This effect can lead to reduced fat mass and improved body composition. It is a good source of vitamins, a K and C, as well as minerals such as potassium and magnesium. It is also high in potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and reduce stress, which can lead to overeating. Kale is also high in fiber, which can help keep you full and satisfied after drinking the smoothie. Kiwis are also high in dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestion and can help prevent constipation. Kiwis also contain folate, which is important for cell growth and development, and is particularly important for pregnant women. In addition, kiwis are a good source of potassium, which is a mineral that helps regulate heartbeat and muscle function. Kiwis also contain small amounts of other vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium. When you finish, you should get a smoothie that looks like this. It is green in color and has a nice and thick consistency. They also contain vitamin C, which can boost the immune system and protect against cellular damage. Unsweetened almond milk is a great alternative to dairy milk, as it is low in calories and fat, but high in vitamin E and other essential nutrients. It is also lactose-free, making it a perfect option for people with lactose intolerance. Additionally, bananas are high in dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestion and can help prevent constipation. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Now let's get started. Here are all the ingredients that you will need to make this fantastic smoothie. Start by washing thoroughly all the vegetables and fruits that we are going to use. Avocado is a superfood when it comes to weight loss. It is high in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Also, it contains lutein, a nutrient that helps reduce inflammation and oxidative damage caused by stress and pollution. Avocado is also high in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Lastly, avocados contain magnesium, which is beneficial for athletes and people who exercise regularly. As always, I like to use organic ingredients whenever possible. For the base of our smoothie, we will use spinach. A handful of spinach leaves is enough to give you a good amount of nutrients and fiber. The best part is that they contain oxalates, which can improve your digestion and reduce bloating. Spinach is also rich in lutein and zeaxanthine, to antioxidants that support eye health. They also contain high levels of folate, which is beneficial for pregnant women and older adults. Moreover, spinach is high in magnesium, which can help lower blood pressure and improve insulin metabolism. And finally, spinach is high in vitamin K, which plays an important role in bone health. To make this recipe, we will need 1 ripe avocado. Now we will add 1 frozen banana to our smoothie, and we will add ½ cup of chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Now we will pour 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk into the blender. Add all the ingredients in the blender and blend everything until you get a thick and creamy consistency. And now we will prepare the sliced kiwi. And now we will slice the kiwi in half, remove the seeds, and then slice them. Your delicious and nutritious smoothie is ready. Now let us take a closer look at its ingredients and see how they can help you lose weight. As we already mentioned, spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is high in fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Avocado is another ingredient that can help with weight loss. Banana is a great addition to a weight loss smoothie because it provides a natural source of sweetness without adding any extra calories. Chia seeds are a fantastic ingredient for a weight loss smoothie because they are high in fiber and protein. Finally, almond milk is a great addition to a weight loss smoothie because it is low in calories and fat but high in vitamin E. This smoothie is not only delicious and nutritious, but it is also very versatile. Now let's talk about how to make the most out of this smoothie for weight loss. We hope you enjoyed this delicious and nutritious weight loss smoothie recipe.